Hello friends, welcome to KR Kela channel. Friends, today we will see legal maxims and their meanings. So friends, watch our complete video, like it, share it, comment on it. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Point number 1, Aspolitus debet ante omnia restitutio. Their meanings: a person who is wrongfully deprived of his property is entitled to the restitution of his property before all others. Number 2. A tempore cujus contrary memoria non existet. Meanings: from a time of which there is no memory to the contrary. Number 3. Absoluta sententia expositor non indigit. Meaning: plain words require no explanation. Number 4. Actio personalis moritur cum persona. Meanings: a personal claim dies with the person claimant. Sampattilal versus Hari Singh. Number 5. Actus non facit reum nisi sit rea. Meanings: act itself does not constitute crime unless done with the guilty mind. Number 6. Equitas agit in personam. Meaning: equity acts in person. Number 7. Equitas est equalitas. Meaning: equity is equality. Number 8. Sisat effectus sisat causa. Meanings: remove the effect and you remove the cause. Number 9. Child and venture sa mer. Meaning: a child while yet unborn child in the womb of the mother from the time of conception. The infant is in is for purpose of taking any estate which is for his interest, whether by descent or device. Number 10. Clausula generalis non referatur ad expressa. Meaning: a general clause does not refer to things expressed. Number 11. Clausula rebus sic stantibus. Meaning: the doctrine that a treaty is intended by the parties to be binding only as long as there is no vital change in the circumstances assumed by the parties at the time of conclusion of the treaty. Number 12. Consensus ad aidem. Meaning: common consent necessary for a binding contract. Number 13. Contemporanea expositio. Meaning: contemporaneous exposition or construction. Number 14. Damnum asque injuria. Meaning: a loss without a wrong. Number 15. Damnum sine injuria. Meaning: damage without legal injury. Number 16. Delegatus non potest delegare. Meaning: a delegate cannot delegate. Number 17. Donatio causa mortis or donatio mortis causa. Meaning: a gift in anticipation of death, a deathbed gift. Number 18. Ex nudo pacto non oritur actio. Meaning: agreement without consideration is void. Number 19. Ex turpi causa non oritur actio. Meaning: no action arises on an immoral cause. Number 20. Exempla instrunt non restingunt legem. Meaning: example illustrate but do no narrow the scope of a rule of law. Number 21. Falsus in uno falsus in omnibus. Meaning: false in one thing is false in everything. Number 22. Felonia implicatur in qualibet prodicino. Meaning: felony is implied in every treason. Number 23. Fiat just justitia. Meaning: let law prevail through let law prevail though justice fail. Number 24. Generalia specialibus non derogant, meaning general things do not derogate from special ones. Number 25. Generalia verba sunt generaliter intelligenda, meaning general words are to be understood generally. Number 26. Generalia generalibus specialia derogant, meaning special things derogate from general things. Number 27. Grammatica falsa non vitiate chartum, meaning bad grammar does not vitiate deed. Number 28. Ignorantia facti excusat, meaning mistake of fact is good excuse. Number 29. Ignorantia juris non excusat, meaning ignorance of fact may excuse but not ignorance of law. Number 30. Ignorantia judicis est calamitas innocentis, meaning ignorance of the judge is misfortune of the innocent. Number 31. In consideration legis, meaning in contemplation of law. Number 32. In forma pauperis, meaning in the form of pauper and indigent person. Number 33. In loco parentis, meaning in the place of parents. Number 35. Number 34. In properia causa nemo judex, meaning no one can be a judge in his own cause. Number 36. Number 33. In loco parentis, in the place of parents. Number 34. In propria causa nemo judex, no one can be a judge in his own cause. Number 35. Injuria non excusat injurium, meaning a wrong does not excuse a wrong. Number 36. Injuria sine damnum and damnum obsque injuria, meaning legal violation of legal right without actual loss. Number 37. Judex non potest is testis in propria causa, meaning a judge cannot be a witness to his own cause. Number 38. Jurisprudentia est divinarum atque humanarum rerum notitia justi et injusti scientia, meaning jurisprudence is the knowledge of things divine and human, the science of what is right and what is wrong. Number 39. Legem vigilantibus non dormantibus subvenient, meaning laws aid the vigilant, not the negligent. Number 40. Lex injusta non est lex, meaning an unjust law is not a law. Number 41. Minor juror non potest, meaning a minor cannot make oath. Number 42. Necessitas non habet legem, meaning necessity knows no law. Number 43. Negatio duplex est affirmatio, meaning a double negative is an affirmative. Number 44. Negatio non protest probari, meaning denial cannot be proved. There can be no proof of a negative proposition. Number 45. Nemo dat quid non habet, meaning no one can give who does not possess. Number 46. Nemo debet bis vexari si constat curi quod sit pro una it idem causa, meaning no one should be twice punished if it appear to the court that it is for one and the same cause. Number 47. Nemo debet is judex in propria causa, meaning no man ought to be a judge in his own cause. Number 48. Nemo debet supra leges, meaning no one is above the law. Number 49. Nemo judex in causa su, meaning no man shall be a judge in his own cause. Number 50. Principalis debet semper executi antiquam prevenitur and fidejussur, meaning the principle should always be exhausted before coming upon the sureties. Number 51. Prior tempore potior jure, meaning he who is prior in time is preferred in law. Number 52. Quando mulier nobilis nuptiarit ignobi desnit is nobili nisi nobilitas native furit, meaning when a noblewoman marries as a not a noble, she ceases to be noble unless her nobility was born with her. Number 53. Quod approbo non reprobo, quod approbo non reprobo means one cannot approve and reject at the same time, one cannot approbate and reprobate the same instrument. Number 54. Ridendo singula singulis means a phrase indicating that different words in one part of deed are to be applied respectively to their appropriate objects in another part. Number 55. Rex debet is sub lege qui lex facit regem, means the king ought not to be under the law because the law makes the king. Number 56. Rex non debet is sub homine sed sub do it leg, means the king ought not to be subject to men but to God and the law. Number 57. Rex non potest peccar, means the king cannot do wrong. Number 58. Rex nunquam morisur, means the king never dies. Number 59. Salus populi is supreme lex, means the welfare of the people is the supreme law. Number 60. Sermo index animi, means speech is the index of the mind. Number 61. Sine qua non, means necessary element, indispensable condition. Number 62. Uberrima fide, means of the utmost good faith. Number 63. Ubija sibi idem remedium, means where there is a right, there is a remedy. Number 64. Verbatium et liberatium, means word for word and letter for letter. Number 65. Vigilantibus non dormentibus jura subvenient, means equity comes to the aid of the vigilant and not the slumbering. Number 66. Valenti non fit injuria, means defense that the plaintiff cannot claim damages for injury sustained by him on account of his having consented to it. Thank you.